The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to look at using the main function. It's a function that's not required in Python, but it is required in many other languages, and it is actually recommended in Python use, and we have some special ways of working on it. As always, you can download this file using the link found in the description below, and then try it on your own. Pause this video, see if you can get it to work on your own, and then check your answer, or if you get stuck, restart the video and try it with us. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this. We're going to pull in our function that we use in our previous example to print out our name. So I'm going to open this real quick, select our def print name, copy it, and I'm going to paste it here inside our file. Now I'm going to create a main function. This is def main, and then we're going to say print name. This is going to use the main function to call print name. So one function can call another function, and this is quite commonly done. Functions will call functions will call functions, and this can extend on over and over and over again. You might be asking yourself, how many times? Well, over 900 times Python will let you do this. Now, if you get close to 1,000, you will run into an error message, but that's pretty rare unless you have a problem that we're going to see later on in something called recursion. So let's go about how this would work. Well, I'm going to come down here and just have my main function. If I run this, you notice that the main function is called. It calls print name, and then we have Bob Smith. Notice real quick, if you would, that main usually does not take any parameters. That's normal. And so it's a parameterless function. We're going to use that. Now, the bigger question is, how can we use this to call the function automatically? Because right now, if I were to import this file into another project, my main function would call, which would call print name. I may not want this because I might be importing this for a library so I can call one of its functions. So I went up to line 12, hit the enter key, just give myself a little extra space because I need to create an if statement. If underscore underscore name. Now what underscore underscore name underscore underscore is a built-in variable to let us see, hey, what is this? If this equals main, then we're going to call our main function. So notice when I run this, underscore underscore name underscore underscore equaled underscore underscore main underscore underscore. If I import this as a library, that name is not main. It's something else, however I got imported in. And so main won't run automatically. So this is a great way for us to test out our main function before we go and import this into a library where main's not going to necessarily need to be called, but the other functions are. So typically if we have a main, we want to include this if statement. It's just a little bit safer if we're going to use more complicated applications, which is what we're always going for. And if you want to see other examples, keep watching for the other videos to see other examples of things that you can practice with your Python programming.